Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can install Hadoop in Ubuntu. For that guys, you have to launch Ubuntu. I'll give you a step-by-step guide how to do it. So first you have to install this, copy this, right click, paste it here, click on enter, download this sudo apt install. So if you want a compatible to use that, so I'm okay with the JDK 8 version. Paste it, enter it. So next create user is there, we are skipping for now. Let us get the Hadoop 3.36. Just copy this command. Okay, go to terminal here. Let me paste it, right click, paste it here. Just click on enter. Now it will take the Hadoop 3.36. First you have to do this guys, sudo apt app update. Then you have to install the Java version, which is this, because Java is needed for Hadoop. Then you can create a Hadoop user. Okay, it is optional. If you want, you can create, and I have downloaded this, which is going on currently. Now the Hadoop has been downloaded, so I'll just add ls here. You can see Hadoop is there. Now I want to extract this Hadoop 3.3. Let me copy this, let me paste it here. So that has been now extracted. So now let me clear it. I'll just write ls here. So I have already extracted but don't want this. I'll just write remove rm. Just copy this, right click, copy, right click, paste it here. Just click on enter. It got removed. What is the next thing we have to give? We have to move this Hadoop to user local. Okay, just copy this, right click, paste. Just click on enter. Now it got moved. So just let me put cd slash user slash local slash Hadoop. Click on enter. See, we are in inside this. Let me give the permissions here. So super permissions. Now here, right click, paste it. Okay. Click on enter. Now we have given the super permissions for this Hadoop. What we have to set? We have to set the environmental variables is the next logical step. Okay. Let us go to this, copy this. Let me just clear it, clear, right click, paste, enter. So here I have got it. Okay. Let me go here, copy this. Okay. Let me go to the terminal. Let me go to the bottom of the page. Let me go to at the end. So let me paste it here. Okay, click on paste. Just press Control X. Okay, then press Y, then press Enter. Control X, then Y, then Enter. So once you have done that, clear here. So after the nano, what you have to do, guys? You have to source it. So what do you mean by source? Source actually save the changes. Just right click, copy here, go to terminal, right click, paste. Click on enter. So if you want to see it again, just go to nano. You can see at the end, see it is already there. Again the same, Control X, the same thing, that is source here. So if you want to see echo dollar Hadoop home, okay, you can just verify it. So just copy this one, Hadoop home, copy, go terminal, paste it. See, user local and Hadoop. So we have to also configure the core files, which is a Java. So you have to go inside this file, Hadoop home, environmental sh. We have to configure Hadoop core files. Let me go here. Now let me just click on paste. Click on enter. So this should have export Java. So let's see, where is the Java? So it's export Hadoop type. So what we have to do, guys? So to go to here, just copy this entire thing, export Java home, copy, just add it in the JVM. So add it anywhere, not an issue at all. So let us go here, let us paste it here. So instead of OpenJDK 11, so we can have 8. Okay, so Control X, Y, and enter. So next one, what you have to do, save and exit. So configure core.html. Just copy this, go here, paste it here, click on enter. So let me clear this, copy this core site. Let me go terminal here. Let me paste it here. Control Y, enter. So next what you have to do, You have to just go to configure post HDFS site XML. Just copy this, go to terminal, just paste it here, click on enter. So just remove this, just go to Firefox again, just copy this, right click and paste it. Now Control X, Y and enter. So let me go back here. Let me just create two directories. First I'll create name node, copy, right click, paste, name node. Then we'll create a data node. Let me copy here. Let me copy here and paste it as a data node. Two directories you have created. Okay. If you see the ls here, you can see the directories. You have to go inside cd. So HDFS you can see HDFS, and if you see ls here, you should be able to see data node and name node. So cd dot dot. So now what I'll do? Let me go back here. So I'll give the super permissions for this HDFS folder. Okay. Right click this one, paste it, click on enter. So this folder, now you have to give the password, click on enter. So this has the super user permission. So let me go back. So the other one which we have to configure is map site HTML. So let me copy this, copy, paste it here, click on enter, go here, just copy the entire thing, terminal, paste it, Control X, Y, enter. So map site is gone. So let me go to the yarn site. Let me copy this. So let me go here, paste it here, click on enter. So here, so go to configurations. This one you have to copy. So copy this, paste it here, right click, paste, Control X, Y and enter. Let us clear this. So now you have to install this. Sudo apt install SSH. Right click, paste, click on enter. So let me copy this SSH keygen. Right click, copy. Let me now paste it here. Paste, click on enter. So not entering anything, just click on enter. Copy, copy it. Go terminal, paste it, click on enter. So I'm just copying the last one and paste it here. We are able to test SSH. Okay, let me copy it, right click, paste, click on enter. Yes, now let us go clear. So let me format the name node here. Let us go to this particular page, paste it, click on enter. Yeah, it has written name node has been successfully formatted here. Okay, so let me clear it. So yarn HDFS. So if you want to start yarn HDFS, just copy this, paste it here, click on enter, copy it, go to terminal, just paste it here, paste yarn.sh, click on enter. So JPS, you just have to verify it here, click on enter. So secondary node, JPS, resource manager, node manager, data node and name. Okay, so expected output, you can either start individually or you can do start all sh. Okay, let me go back to the Firefox. So now just click on this. See, this is my HTML tab. See, this is the name node which we have started here. So HDFS URL, see, this is the yarn URL 8088. See, this is the entire Hadoop. You can see here we'll create one entry. Okay, let me go to here. So HDFS DFS space minus make directory mkdir slash first. Click on enter. Okay, now let's see. Now directory has been done. So I'll just put HDFS, put space slash, click on enter. See, there is one directory got, that is first is already here. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll search for this directory in our local host. Let me go to node information here. Let me click on utilities, browse file system. Just let me click on first. Just click on enter. See, there is one entry already. VBox user has created one entry. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're new here, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.